In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, understanding how to protect networks is paramount. The Palo Alto Networks Firewall Essentials Configuration and Management EDU-210 course offers foundational to advanced knowledge crucial for any cybersecurity professional. This comprehensive course is designed to empower you with the skills to configure and manage Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls, enabling secure networks against emerging threats. From configuring security and NAT policies to managing threat prevention strategies, EDU-210 covers it all. Dive deep into critical topics such as application identification, content ID for IPS, antivirus, anti-spyware, and more. Learn the intricacies of SSL decryption and user identification, essential for modern cybersecurity. With a focus on best practices and leveraging real-life experiences, this course not only teaches the theory behind Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls, but also how to apply these features effectively in your day-to-day operations. Completing this course is a critical step towards achieving the PCNSA certification, setting the stage for further advancement with courses like Panorama, Managing Firewalls at Scale, EDU-220, and Firewall Troubleshooting, EDU-330. Powered by DataCypher, an authorized global training partner of Palo Alto Networks, this course is your step towards becoming a certified network security expert. With our award-winning training, experienced instructors, and passion for cybersecurity, DataCypher is dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the fast-evolving cybersecurity landscape. Your journey to mastering Palo Alto Networks technology starts here. DataCypher, where excellence meets expertise in cybersecurity training. Connect with us to learn more.